Okay. I have returned. My back is still sore. I guess I was bending down this whole entire time because so that you could hear my voice more clearly. Slash, that means I didn't have to raise my voice as high, but I'm gonna have to stop doing that. Otherwise my back is gonna kill me. God. Anyways. We've fought Ron Lad McDon Lad, a clown mascot for a fast food restaurant, whatever that is anyways. Now there are only 2 enemies left. So let's go up. I guess I should save just in case, even though I already saved over there, but whatever. Look at the amount of tokens I have. I have 129,309 tokens. Warning, it is recommended to stop cop items and save before entering. You won't be able to fight any of the bonus bosses provided. Okay, good. You have their associated items. You wish to proceed? Yes, I already beat them up. Hey guys! It's been a while.
It appears we have rendezvous with the girls just as planned.
God, that fucking path was fucking bullshit.
Let me guess, we're gonna have to play as them too, right?
Oh, quit your whining, Yiffy. That was practically the only other path available anyway.
Fuck you.
Was it really that bad?
God, these two never cease to amaze me. They never cease to amaze me.
You don't want to know.
Yeah, I guess I don't.
Now that we are all here, it is time to finish what we've started.
Yeah.
Kill enragement child.
Let's get that little brat.
Oh, I have the godly weapons for them as well,
Wait.
so...
Are those the holy weapons from the legendary gods of Swag?
Yeah, it was just... Anyways, as I was saying, yes, those are the holy weapons from the legendary gods of Swag.
What? These things?
Where did you get your hands on such rare pieces of equipment?
Some... lady that, can apparently teleport, I don't know.
Long story short. We got a memo from those green hats, presented it to Aku, and she gave us these items that she somehow have.
Yeah, I'm not gonna question why she has those.
What? I did not know there were a newer group of living partyware.
Me neither.
Is that seriously the issue here, Fredster?
Fredster. Freddy and Co. equip the godly weapons. Yes! That's really good. Like, really good. And it allows them to move twice too. That's incredibly good. And Bonnie gets 10 godly guitars because he can... I'm assuming he smashes them, one of them, in Guitar Smash, which... That's pretty hardcore. Smashing a godly guitar to your enemy, that's pretty sick. Anyways, I guess file 74. We have the rest of the crew now, that's pretty cool. There he is. So you've arrived.
Finally. It is time. It is time we get to kick your sorry ass, you fuck-sacking piece of shitface.
Those are new ones.
Enragement child. This is the end of the line.
I get it because that's the name of the chapter.
For you.
I'll shut up. End of the line? If you sack of shits think you can defeat me, then you're dead wrong. You cannot defeat me. I am currently more powerful than any of you. And I know all your weaknesses,
You're
too.
bluffing.
Oh, am I now?
Yes.
BB shows Sakuya's set of pads. Oof. You were saying, Sakuya?
You motherfucking little shit, I'm going to fucking kill you.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Oh dear.
That's about what that's what I expected. Ancient Mei-Meis never fail
Enough
me.
talk. Release Yukari immediately, you sack of shit.
Oh, still thinking about your precious money offertory device, huh? You still haven't figured it out yet? This is not about your stupid box. No, this is about the inevitable fate of your precious multiverse.
Multiverse.
So, you see where I'm getting at now, you fucking idiots?
Shut the fuck up. This is for all of the bullshit you put us through. This is for being an asshole in general. And most importantly,
Holy shit. Yeah, you tell him, Freddy.
this is for using what is probably a dead meme.
Yeah, it's nobody makes Sakuya pad jokes anymore. Come on, BB.
Prepared to face retribution. Enragement, bitch.
Get him. I see. So, you've chosen death. Very well then. Have at you.
Oh, I'm going to fucking enjoy this.
Yurei BB enters the fight. Eat my shit. Oh, the Yurei balloons from the first chapter are here. Alright. Okay, so first and foremost, let's scan him. Ah, he's immune to poison and bleed, because of course he is. That 180,000 HP too, come on. You fucker. Finally, after a long chase, it's time to fuck up this ghost. Don't hold back, ever. You got it. Everybody use a haze candy. Alright. Defense maneuver. And top hat slice isn't gonna do jack shit too. BB, but I guess 4-door march him. Rock out with his bonbon kick. Birthday surprise. I guess doing all of our AoE moves means that all the annoying peons are gonna get killed immediately, so that's nice. He's resistant / immune to paralysis, so plank walk would be a good idea. So speed share and indulgence instead. It's too bad that the anime girls don't have their ultimate weapons from episode 1. Oh, and Marisa's dead. Great. Pretty sure she already used a haste candy as well, so that's fun. Just realized Bonnie's probably gonna kill all of them. And Chica's thing is gonna be kinda useless, but whatever. It's a minor setback. I am annoyed that you killed Marisa though. Because now she's not gonna be able to get all this good shit. Devour my hot bird ass. Alright. Imagine all 8 of them using their combos at the same time. That would be fucking insane. I'm tempted to save my to save all my the Mako power and tech just for that. Actually, that'd be so cool. Hey, what did he say? Again, resistant to everything that's relevant to us. So, but he's not immune to sleep. I remember that. Fearless flight. And rush down.
Fucking butt, motherfucker.
Yeah. And Foxy got stoned. Great. This is gonna take a while. We need to burn him. That's what we need to do. Making him feel pain is gonna be pretty useful as well. Bam. So he's not immune to poison. He's just resistant towards it. Gotcha. I don't think Magic Sign Illusion Star would be a good idea here. I will do Flyby though. And give her a haste candy because she needs it. Phantasm Strike. Alright. Do a misdirection then, just on the off chance that she's not immune to bleed. Oh, backup bash, that's gonna be... I forgot that Foxy was high. Great. Okay. I wonder what Cirno and Golden Freddy are gonna do after this. Also, I'm pretty sure he did bleed, so that's good. Still thinking I'm gonna wanna burn him though. Damn it, Reimu, stop doing jack shit with your burn everything move. Not helpful. Just trap him. Decrease the speed. And then, you... just in case, pop a lollipop too, and then, actually no, pop an Aaron's potion and then a lollipop too. And then... decrease her luck. Up at toss. Back up bash. Bon kick. Give bread to Bonnie. Bam, 40,000. I miss the old backup bash though. This version is a lot less fun to use. It's more consistent, but yeah, I don't really... I like the RNG aspect of Backup Bash. Alright. He's halfway... Oh, we're halfway there. Ah, Squidward on the chair. Take my hand, we'll make it, I swear. Ow. Squidward on a chair. What? Just fly by and then. Use bread on yourselves. Yeah, alright. Beak thrust, I guess. We got the Bonnie. Ooh. Okay, hang on. You use that on yourself. Speed share. Bam, 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 bam. Honestly, with the way things are going, I think we are going to be able to do an all-out attack combo thing with every character using their combo. That'd be sick. Like, insanely sick. Spun wildly into the enemy. Ow. Well, that's good. Sakya's almost at 100 the Mako power. Oh, she can still... Alright, she can still... move twice. Use a haste candy on yourself, Yomo. Rock corpse. Give bread to yourself, Freddy. And Bonnie, guitar smash. See how much damage that does. And give yourself bread. Make BB feel pain. And then you rush down. And sweet tea. Hell yeah. Don't kill Yomo, by the way. That would suck. That would suck major ass. Classic guitar. Bronze. Silver. Gold. Platinum. Kingly. Godly guitar. That was a lot of damage, not gonna lie. Alright, we're giving Bonnie, Freddy, and Chica donuts. Or, well, not donuts. Bread. Bam, bam, bam! Alright. bread, 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 bread yourself, bread, 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 bread. Actually, you do birthday surprise. Actually, no. Defensive maneuver. Bread. 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 Birthday surprise. Bread. And sweet tea. And sweet tea. You can't do shit right now, so we're free to spam the hell out of our items. Damn, that feels good. All of these buffs. A little bit overkill, but whatever. There's no kill quite like overkill. Right. Give yourself sweet tea. And give yourself Bonnie. Bonnie definitely needs it the most. Is he gonna have enough HP to survive through all of our combos? I hope so. Yeah, I think you will. Everybody just graze, I guess. Guard and sweet tea on yourself. Guard and then use sweet tea on yourself and guard. This is gonna sting. For BB, that is. Alright. Let's do this shit. Hakurei Overdrive. Actually, Reimu has a haste candy on, so she can do that. She can increase her attack by 10%. Alright. Magical Overdrive. Phantasm Overdrive. Actually, you do the same thing, Yomo. Clockwork Overdrive. Fazbear Combo. Actually, Fazbear Combo. Yeah, use Fazbear, use Top Hat Toss first and then Fazbear Combo because the 5 Nights at Fuckboy's crew get increased attack when their tech is at 100, so we should make use of that. Bonbon Kick, and then Bonbon Combo. Flighty combo. Rum. And then pirate combo. Yeah, he's not gonna like this. God damn, Foxy does so much damage just his regular scream alone. Broom smash. Bunny hop. Yeah, I miss doing this. Boom, 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 boom. Beat a bit, bob, boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, he's going down. If not this turn, then most definitely the turn afterwards. You're going down. Enragement child. Suck it. Alright. Bam, 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 bam. Sakia's turn. Alright, get ready. Oh god, this one's gonna hurt as well. Bam, bam. Taking all these attacks like a champ, though. But he's still gonna die. Man, this fight took almost like 30 minutes. I'm just now realizing, like, on this recording. I'm definitely gonna have to split this up into multiple different parts. Just fucking die already. Alright. Yeah. Get poisoned. Get critical hitted. Kind of criminal how many crits Reimu actually receives. Look at that. He's almost dead. It's time for Reimu to get mad. Bon kick. It's really good. Foxy deals so much damage. Face retribution, enragement, bitch. Thy end is coming near. Chica's gonna be the one to kill you. Alright. Not my first guess as to who would land the finishing blow, but alright. Yeah.
This is it for you, jackass.
Fuck off. I'm not dealing with this bullshit. He's running away again.
Shit. He's getting away. After him.
She's nowhere near the streets.
Oh my god, we're gonna play a Cirno now, aren't we?
I guess I'll try to look in the city again. It's worth a shot.
Okay. Well, I guess I still have almost. Jesus Christ, I forgot how absolutely stacked Cirno is. Anyways, I'll be right back. I guess I'll end this recording session here because my back is sore again. Let me go ahead and fix that.